Say goodbye to insects. Use coffee and toilet paper and enjoy a bug-free home. This is a surprising solution you probably haven't thought of, and it's going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. You'll need a container. Any small one will work perfectly. Add a spoonful of coffee grounds. Now, grab some toothpaste. I'm using this one, but really, any kind will do. Squeeze in a small spoonful, just enough to mix in well. Now we're going to mix this until it forms a smooth paste. You're looking for a consistency that's thick enough to spread, but not too runny. Coffee grounds are incredible at absorbing odors and even have a natural repellent effect for some insects. Plus, coffee is an eco-friendly solution that won't harm your home environment. As for the toothpaste, not only will it help to mask any odd scents, but it also provides a subtle, minty freshness. These two ingredients work wonders together. But wait, there's more to it. Now that our mixture is ready, take a roll of toilet paper and tear off a piece. You can grab a larger piece for this one. Fold it in half once, then fold it in half again. Perfect! Now roll it up just like you would a rope. We're aiming for a thin, sturdy piece that can hold our paste. Now with your toilet paper rope ready, take a bit of our paste and start spreading it along the entire length of the paper. Make sure you cover it evenly from one end to the other. Dampen the paper slightly if you need to. It helps the paste stick better. When you're done, it should look just like this. A perfectly coated strip, ready to work its magic. Next, grab a glass container. Anything made of glass will do, like a jar or even an old bottle. We're using glass because it's heat safe, which is key for this trick. Place our toilet paper strip inside with one end sticking out. Carefully light the end of the paper. You don't want it to catch on fire. Just let it smolder and produce a little smoke. No need to stress about all these ingredients. I've listed all of them in the description for you to check them out at the end of the video. With this simple setup, you'll be able to keep pesky insects like flies, mosquitoes, and gnats far away. Plus, the coffee aroma adds a pleasant touch, making it perfect for placing near windows or doorways.